Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. On today's episode, I'll be talking about how to revamp your old hairs to look brand new and smell brand new. You're in the right page, so sit tight. Um, Revamping has steps you need to follow so you do not damage your hair or you damage your client's hair. So you have to take serious procedures before revamping somebody's hair. First step is to always detangle the hair. This is the hair I'm working on, and this. Okay, so this is a frontal. Yeah, it's a frontal. Then this is just a closure. I'll be wrapping these two hairs. So the product we're using for this revamping, I will show every product I'm going to be using. The first thing I would want everybody to know is that when you're revamping, please do not revamp your colored hair with your black hair or your non-colored hair. Okay, so black hair should be revamped together, white colored hair should be revamped separately. So without further ado, let's jump right into the procedure. Okay, so this is the bowl I'll be using. So before you revamp, you have to detangle your hair, because like this hair is now, I cannot just start revamping it. I will just spoil the person. I'll just spoil the customer's hair because it is tangled. So first step first is detangle your hair. So you have to take your time to detangle your hairs before you start. Okay guys, so I'm done detangling the both hairs. The next thing to do is to boil hot water. Okay guys, you need to wash the hair with a warm water. I'll fill this with warm water. So guys, this is the warm water. Now I'll be adding my shampoo. I'll add more because I want to it up very well. Okay guys, I'm washing it now. This is the first hair. If you can watch here, there is stain of maybe foundation. So I'm going to be using this brush to just cleanse it so I don't spoil the net. You have to be very careful here, guys. Whatever stain you see, you can use a brush like this to remove it gently. So I go back again and gently wash it. So this cap now, this side is the place the patient clients will always sweat. So you just scrub it with caution still, then bring deep, bring out, and so I'm done washing this one. The water is still not that dirty, so I would go in with the second hair. Okay, this one is dirty. The second hair is dirty. I can see it, guys. It's so dirty. So I turn towards the side. Yeah, definitely there will be dirt and gum on this side. So I'll just be using this my brush to gently take it out.
So guys, where I'm scrubbing is the wig cap, because the wig cap is always dirty because of sweat and the rest of it. But I'm not scrubbing. I cannot scrub the hair like that. The hair, you stroke it, you don't wash like this.
So guys, see how dirty this water is. Can you just see? The water is so dirty. So I'm going to wash the second time because the water is dirty. So I'm going to change it and wash the second time. So guys, this is fair this time around. Water is not that dirty, so I'm going to dispose this. So at this point, I'm going to be combing it out to comb out the hairs very well. Comb out the hairs very well. Once you are done shampooing it, don't use a small comb, use a wide tooth comb to do this side. Then you have to be very gentle because the hairs are at their delicate moments now, so you just have to be very careful so I don't end up losing a lot of hair from the hair. So see, okay, so after this I'm still going to do the same thing to the second hair. Comb it out very well.
So guys, the next thing I'll be doing after combing my hair is to put my mixture. Is the hair I revamped this morning. So this is my leftover. I'm just going to be adding some products because this will not be enough for the two hairs. So guys, I will be adding you will add your conditioner, which is what I'm doing here. Then next you add your silicone mix. This is it, silicone mix. I'll be taking 2 scoops. So then next I'll add my hair mayonnaise. 2. Depending on the quantity of hair you are doing. I already have a quantity here, so if you are working on just one hair, I would prefer I would advise you use 1.5 scoop, but if you're working on 2 hairs, you can use 2 large scoop. So I'm just adding 1 to this one. Then I will add my argan oil. 1 pump is enough, or 2 pump, just to add moisture and shine to the hair. So guys, now I'll be mixing the contents together. So after mixing this, then you apply it on your hair. So this is our hair. So guys, I have applied the product evenly on the 2 hairs. Now I'm going to tie them up. I'll be putting it here inside this Ziploc bag.
Guys, I put the both of them together. Lock it and cover it airtight because I do not have the warmer. So I'll let it sit inside this place for 1 hour. Then we'll see the results. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this post and encourage me. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.